For VNC connection, we need to enable some setups in Raspberry Pi device itself. So I will write this one: sudo raspi dash config. So if you write this, you will see a screen that is some kind of like initial boot screen for many of the Windows systems that we saw earlier. And here we have to look into the interface option. If you go into the interface and then select this one and just enter, here you will see a VNC option here. So then just enter this one, and then would you like to enable the VNC server or the VNC server to be enabled? Choose yes, then you choose yes, and then it will give you like the VNC server is enabled, and then you press OK. You come back to finish, you get out of this screen, and then you kind of log out of this one. Okay, so I'm just logging out, and here it is like saying log out, so you will do the log out one.
Now we will be connecting to the Raspberry Pi. Now for that, we will need an application. We can use the real VNC. First thing is we need to download that and install it into our machine, like a Windows machine. So first thing you will do, accept and install. Once that is done, then we'll have to do some sign up for that for the first time use. As you can see here, it's asking for like sign in. So if you go to the sign in, if you do not have any new account, you can, if you do not have any old account, you can open up the sign up here and provide your details there. Okay, so now we have already done that part, and this is the real VNC viewer we have here. And we have to basically add a connection to the Raspberry Pi. So you can do that by going to the File menu, New Connection, and then providing the IP address of that Raspberry Pi, and that's it basically. And you can also look into the properties field as well. How you will get the IP in the of the Raspberry Pi? So once you are logged into the Raspberry Pi machine locally, you can put the command ifconfig. That will give you the command. So now you just have to put your login credentials for that Raspberry Pi device, and that's it. It will connect in a few seconds. So let me see what's okay. Now you can see that we are in the remote connections using that VNC player to that Raspberry Pi, and I'm logging remotely to the Raspberry Pi here. And this one is pretty fast. And now you can also look into like some, let's say like host name again here. So all these are now will be done as a kind of remote connections to that Raspberry Pi device. So thank you all.